Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious tuna Caesar salad. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 head of crisp romaine lettuce, a 5-ounce can of tuna, and components for a homemade Caesar dressing. Don't forget about 1 cup of crunchy croutons and some freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's craft that amazing Caesar dressing. In a small bowl, whisk 1 egg yolk with 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Gradually, and I mean gradually, drizzle in 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil, whisking constantly to emulsify. Finish by stirring in 2 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and a pinch of salt and pepper. This creates a rich, creamy base. With our dressing ready, it's time to assemble the salad. Take 1 head of crisp romaine lettuce, chop it into bite-sized pieces, and place it into a large mixing bowl. Next, drain 1 5-ounce can of tuna very well and flake it evenly over the lettuce. Finally, add about 1 cup of your favorite crunchy croutons and a generous sprinkle of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. We are almost there. For the grand finale, it's time to dress and serve. Pour approximately 1/2 cup of your freshly made Caesar dressing over the salad ingredients in the bowl. Gently toss everything together until every piece of lettuce, tuna, and crouton is beautifully coated. Serve your delicious tuna Caesar salad immediately to enjoy its crispness and vibrant flavors. A final grind of black pepper is always a nice touch. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.